It was an interesting opportunity to take my individual ideas on, just analyzing a company and trying to determine if it's a solid investment, and then, working with 15 other students who have a complete different way of, looking at a stock and trying to determine if it's an excellent investment or not, and just learning from, the experience I've had, and then learning from the perspective of the other students. When you see the way 16 different students look and break down a stock, you learn different ways personally on how to evaluate a stock. And over the course of the year, I just went from having this narrow perspective on looking and evaluating stock to this huge, massive perspective where I completely looked at it from several different angles I'd never even considered before joining the Batten Fund. In 2 years of business school, it's my highlight. It's my the most favorite class, or the most my favorite experience I've had in the 2 years. I went from being doing my own a little bit of personal investing, but being kind of constantly second guessing myself and being unsure if I'm making the right decision, to having a lot of confidence in any investments I make, and just learning so much, not from the overall experience, the speakers, the professor, and the interaction with the students. The overall just growth, I think you saw every member of the Batten Fund have over a 1 year period, whether it was a finance background or a completely an HR background that has nothing to do with finance. Their growth was massive, and I think you can't put a value on the experience that the Batten Fund has.